Saturday 8th, that's today, Bitcoin is likely to surge above 75k. Now, this is the reason as to why I think Bitcoin is gonna surge, and the reasons are actually so simple. Now, you see, I have a BTC chart that is actually well laid, whereby I'm actually looking at the entire structure being simply an A, B, and C kind of a correction. Elliott wave wise, that brings us to what we do call a zigzag kind of a correction. So with this correction, it has got its wave C, this wave that continues to the upside, are coming in what we do call five waves. So you can see that I have my wave A here. This is the wave B. Now this is the wave C that we are currently in. But it is coming in five kind of waves. These five kind of waves are one, two, three, four, and then expecting a five to the upside. But now all I can do is let me also add a wave to the inner waves here. Now these white waves, the smaller ones with one, with the two, with three, with four, with five are the inner waves, whereby I managed to capture this one here and I got some good profits out of that. As this was a wave three, I also sold at the top of the wave three, coming down for the wave four, and right now I've bought in back again. I first bought around here, it kind of continued to the downside. I'm still holding this position here, but I've added in more right here. I'm still hoping that price has to give me a wave 5 to the upside of that wave C. And to mark each and everything, that will now confirm what I do call an A, B, C, D, E, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of flow, which is an ending diagonal. To say right now, I'm still examining each and everything as a diagonal, provided the price action of wave 4, which is this, intervened into the price territory of wave 1. So that's it. And today I have a number of reasons as to why I'm actually buying in. And those reasons are the ones that I'm going to be slicing down. The first reasons I've actually given, it's because I'm expecting our 5 to come to the upside. But now let me dive a little bit into price action that we can consider. Without actually a further delay, I'll first remove each and everything like the drawings, first get off. And after removing my drawings, you will happen to see that if I lower my time frame to 1 hour time frame, I have got what most traders do call an order block, which is this, and it is a valid one. So it is a good order block right there. Price is currently trading into that order block. It will be better to look at this order block at something like maybe 30 minutes. Is how it's actually appearing. So right here I have an order block. That's where I'm buying my BTC from. There is a more simplified one that I want to look at. Yeah, this right here. This right here. That is my order block. From this point, I want to see price starting a continuation to the upside. Now, ignoring the order block concept, I also want to actually show you something with what we do call the geometry, the line work of the markets. Going to the market geometry, let me push it to another page, which page is going to be right here, still Bitcoin, but by Binance. You will understand that I do have this one here. Take it to the 30 minutes, take it to the 1 hour, this. You see this? I have a pitchforks actually plotted on this chart. A little bit confusing, but these are the things that I actually do teach, and they are highly profitable. Reason being, if you look, let me first actually put this one to first disappear, and we'll stay with one pitchfork. So we have only one pitchfork right now. If you look here, I anchored my pitchfork on this high right here, and this very one right here. This low and this high up here. And you can see that price is actually fetching its support right now on the lower bands of the pitchfork, which are highly actually sensitive. Normally they act as hidden support and resistance zones, and likely once price actually attempts to get into such zones, price reacts and returns to the upside. But now when I actually end up bringing back the other pitchfork that I actually removed, and I actually end up bringing back the other pitchfork that I actually removed. Let me first get the other pitchfork. Where can I get it? Let me come here. I need to get back the other pitchfork. Trading view has changed a little bit. Oh no. Let me just do this. Control Z. It comes back. So when I bring back this pitchfork, the purple one, you will understand that the marine line of the purple pitchfork is actually intersecting with this green line, creating an area of dual confluence around here. That's a strong zone. And in my opinion, do not get surprised if you happen to see BTC doing something like this, but at a point it comes back around this pitchfork and then it bounces, sort of. So currently, this is how I'm watching it, and that's how I'm actually trading it. That's BTC for you. That's BTC for you. I like to check a lot of stuff when I'm actually trading. I also use indicators because I know nothing actually is better than indicators while trading if you happen to learn how to use them. Because if you take me to the indicator section and I just deploy only one, that's going to be only the stochastics. And I happen to deploy the stochastics at something like 4 hour, you will happen to see that at 4 hour, our stochastics right here, it is oversold. So the stochastics is telling you that right where BTC is a good position for you to take a buy. And the moment you lower it to something like 1 hour, you will find that the stochastic itself is diverging. There is a divergence. You can understand and see that price is actually giving you lows, or price is going into the downside, but the stochastics from the same point is showing you that price is going into the up. The stochastics is going into the upside, which is a positive support to the momentum. It's a bullish divergence. So at the 1 hour, I've already got a bullish engulfing candlestick. That's if we are to discuss what we do call the candlestick mastery. We have got a bullish engulfing candlestick. So let's go.